Okay, Google just released Imagen 4 Ultra model to Gemini API and Google AI Studio, which means anyone can start generating a picture using the Imagen 4 Ultra model completely for free. So according to this blog post, this model is particularly good at rendering text on the picture. So you won't see any weird looking text or paragraphs on the picture anymore. And from my testing, it does quite a wonderful job. So these are just some examples that I created using the Imagen 4 Ultra model. As you can see, the text looks good, and of course you can use it to generate any sort of pictures, but particularly for rendering text, it's just really good. I haven't found any mistake on the photos that I created using this model. So if you want to use the Imagen 4 Ultra model for free, you can follow this guide. First, let's go to arstudio.google.com, and don't worry, I'm going to provide the link in the video description. So here you have to basically log in with your own account, your Google account, in order to access this tool. And you don't have to be in the Google paid subscription at all. Anyone can use it for free. And here, let's go to generate media, and let's click Imagen or any feature or any button that says generating a picture of some sort, and then you'll see something that looks like this. Now let's switch to the Imagen 4 Ultra model. Let's click this and click Imagen 4 Ultra, and there you go. So here you can provide a prompt about the picture that you want to create. This is the prompt that I'm going to use. And one thing here that you need to note is that if you want to put a picture, if you want to put a text into the picture, I do recommend to add a quotation mark within the text that you want to insert. So it's very important to let AI know that that is the text that you want to insert into the picture. And then here on the right side, there is the option to select the aspect ratio. I really like that we have plenty of options. There is 1:1, and then there's also a vertical and horizontal aspect ratios. I guess I'm gonna go with, let's try 3:4. I want to get a vertical picture basically. And let's click run and just wait for it. This model is actually pretty good, and it is really fast compared to, let's say, ChatGPT. You can get a picture in just maybe a few seconds compared to 1 or 2 minutes in ChatGPT. So I think that's really one key advantage or benefit from the Ultra model from Imagen 4. And there you go. And here, if you want to download the picture, you can click this download button. You can also open it in a larger view, and also you can save it to your Google Drive account if you want to. And so that's basically how you can do it. I don't know the limit because so far I have made dozens of photos this way, and maybe there's going to be a cap at some point, but right now they're very generous at giving you the credits that allows you to create pictures using the Imagen 4 Ultra model. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.